Underwater welding is one of the wildest jobs out there, and it comes with some seriously unusual challenges you won't find on land. So, here's the deal with underwater welding. First off, the crazy water pressure can mess with your gear and your body, so you gotta be super careful about how deep you go and how long you stay down there. Then, there's limited visibility because, well, it's dark and murky underwater, so welders have to rely on their experience and special lights to get the job done right. Corrosion is another big headache, since saltwater is ruthless on metal and gear, making everything wear out faster. Electrical safety? Yeah, that's a huge concern, because mixing electricity and water is basically asking for trouble, so welders use special equipment designed to keep shocks at bay. Also, cold temperatures can make your fingers numb and slow you down, so wearing the right thermal gear is a must. Staying calm under pressure, literally, helps avoid mistakes too. Plus, underwater welders need to be fit, trained in diving and welding both, and ready for anything since conditions can change fast. One of the biggest screw-ups in underwater welding is not accounting for water pressure properly. This can lead to equipment failure or even decompression sickness, so always follow dive tables and safety protocols. Another common mistake is ignoring visibility issues. Welding without enough light or failing to clean the welding spot makes for weak welds, so always prep the area and use strong waterproof lighting. Lastly, neglecting electrical safety can cause serious injuries. Using non-certified equipment or skipping regular checks is a no-go, so invest in good gear and do routine maintenance. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid place if you're looking to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right. Plus, it helps contractors connect with homeowners who need their skills, making the whole process way easier for everyone involved.